Now it's come to my attention that a lot of people think the only way to get these, yeah, don't mind that. Yeah, little incident, nothing to worry about. Anyways, a lot of people think to get these bushings out, to press in, poly bushings or whatever, you need to burn these out. Well, that just makes a hell of a mess, takes forever, and is just not the best option in my opinion. What works better, you use a hole saw, put your drill out the rubber from both sides, and then there's a little metal sleeve on the inside. You take a jigsaw with a metal blade and slice through that ring, and then with a little punch or air hammer, you can pop that ring right out and you're done in like 2 minutes. No messing with fire, no mess, and you're ready to go. I'm going to do that now and you'll see. First step with the drill. Okay, well, there's a little bit of rubber mess, but a lot less than if you're using fire. Just go as deep as you can go. Yeah, we're pretty well bottomed out. Okay, so now I'm going to flip this over in the vise and do the other side. Finish on the other side. Almost there. It's a little harder to do one-handed, by the way. Now that you've got that drilled out on both sides, all you need to do is give it a couple whacks with a hammer or punch. Gone. And now, like I said, jigsaw metal blade, a little slit in the collar, and then we'll drive that ring right out. Give me a second, because I don't think I can do this with one hand holding the camera. There we go. It's almost all the way out. I nicked it a little bit with the air hammer getting it started, but it's coming out. There. It's out. That's all there is. That's about 3 minutes of work. Now I'm just going to get a file there and clean that up a little bit, and we're ready to put in some poly bushings. And for anyone wondering how to put the easiest way to put the poly bushings in, throw a little grease around your fitting, around the bushing, and in the hole, and then use a ball joint press, and you can more or less just kind of force it right in. Pretty simple. I'll show you the end result in a second. We're about halfway in. And now we're starting to hit on the other side, so I just need to put a cup from the ball joint kit on the other side and we'll be good. I put one of the cups on the other side and then drive it all the way in. The other side should be popped in now. All the way seated in. You want both sides to be, the flared side to be popped out. And then all we have left is to put the center bushing in. And I just use the ball joint press to press that all the way in, and that's done. There we go. The center bushing is in. We're in on both sides. We're ready to go.